Hey guys, what is going on? Sharp Thinking here. Real quick, I want to do a rundown on my new kind of CQB setup that I'm doing. So before I made that video on the 10.5 quad rail LMT that I had, I'm not running that anymore. There's a pretty considerable difference in ballistic performance from 10.5 inch to 11.5 inch barrels. So I did decide to go with the 11.5, and I figured, why not give M-LOK a shot? The last M-LOK gun I had was a Noveske NSR, just Gen 3 Noveske. The rail was real thin, and it got really hot really fast, so I moved to quad. Now I'm back to M-LOK. This is not susceptible to the same problems that the NSR rail is. With that being said, I still do have the rail scale G10. I forget what the model of these is called, but I just have the two kind of bigger surface area scales, one on each side, and then I have one single slot scale on the bottom. But we'll talk about that. Actually, we covered it. Fuck it. That's all. Starting at the front, suppressor, CRC2 that I've had. I am using the same muzzle device that I was on the 10.5. It's that 3-prong from Surefire. And before anyone complains, the bolt is open. So it's not loaded. Just did that so you guys could tell. Surefire. What is this? The M600 Pro, I want to say. It's just a CR123 version. I did not like my dual fuel. It flickered. And speaking of flickering, the mod button that I have for some reason flickers. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is dimming quite a bit and then re-illuminating back to full brightness. I'm not sure if all of them do that or if it's just mine. Could very well just be mine. This is not a real PEC. I don't have nods, so I'm not about to spend $2,500 on a full power PEC. This I use when I run my buddy's nods, which is very, very infrequently. So that's all. It's a fake unit. It is a Somo Gear something, potted something, I don't know. Someone recommended them, came up for sale, snagged one for super cheap, and stayed zeroed. The Viz laser, I kind of lined up with the zero on my dot. That's been fine through a couple, actually one class and a couple range trips. As far as the infrared, I haven't checked that in a minute. But everything works. I don't know. I mean, don't put this on a duty gun. Usually what I run when this isn't on there is this Scalarworks front iron sight. I do like that a lot, and I just popped the front iron out of this Unity mount here, which is holding up my T2. So T2 carried over from the 10.5. It's a great optic. Really small footprint, really light. I do have the Knights battery cap. Again, I got it for cheap. I think I paid 35 bucks for the battery cap. I am running, much like in the 10.5, the enhanced bolt and carrier. This gun runs it no problem. My 14.5 also runs this carrier, no problem. I've heard of other LMTs not being able to run this group. So if you want to play it safe, just get the enhanced bolt. Don't even bother with the carrier because it's not something most rifles need. It's very specific in what it's designed for. And I'm not going to talk about that in this video. So moving on, Radian Raptor SD. Great charging handle, really small footprint. I like that. It's terrific. Can't ask for more. Gas mitigation, does it do it? I don't know. not really. It's about the same as the Geisley or PRI offering. I'm not saying it doesn't do it. I haven't noticed that big of a difference between those charging handles. A5 system, this is the same lower that I ran my 10.5 on. Obviously, for legal reasons, that's why I'm doing that. Geisley SSAE trigger, and this is a Magpul stock. I don't know which one. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. It's a super basic, simple kind of basic bitch setup. I have the BCM foregrip on there. What is this? Yeah, foregrip. So yeah, I've run this in a couple classes, actually one class and a couple range trips that were higher round count, and it's terrific so far. It's way less concussive than my 10.5, and it's actually far less gassy when you dump rounds in rapid succession. So I do like it quite a bit. It's a lot of fun, and yeah, just wanted to make a quick video on it because I know I haven't been putting out content. So I hope you guys enjoyed, got something out of it. Don't forget to leave a comment about the fake pack in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye now.